the order.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoob.
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here.
In this video, we continue talking about Newegg and purchasing a Google Wi-Fi and what happens for 2 years in a row. Take a look and enjoy the video.
So what happened was, unbeknownst to my family, someone bought me for a gift, forget something, I don't know if it was Christmas or something. It is after I already built my rig, everything's up and running. They bought me, it was like a gift card and Newegg Premier membership. So it was like a $100 gift card plus like a year or two or something like that of free Premier membership, depending on how much the gift card was, something like that. So I think it was like a 2-year Premier membership, which is like their Amazon Prime of Newegg. I think it's like $50 a year or something like that. And you get like the 2-day free shipping, no, 3-day free shipping, I think, free returns and all this, all like the regular stuff that you would get. That's fan number 5 right there. So I had that, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna try to use it plus this gift card. I may as well try and use this gift card. And this is right before Google Wi-Fi was coming out, and I was gonna buy the 3-pack, and I waited for Black Friday to buy it. And I bought it on Black Friday for, I think it was like, when it first came out, it was like $300 or something like that. I forget what sale, however sale they had for on Newegg, but it was, I don't remember, it wasn't $100. It was, I don't know, maybe it was like $50 off. It wasn't that much off. Maybe it was like 20, maybe it was like $279 or something like that. So it wasn't even like that much of a deal. But I had a gift card, $100 gift card, plus, 3-day shipping. So I bought it. I was like, yeah, I don't normally buy products like way super new, just in case anything wrong with them, and, that whole trial phase. Plus if there's a sale, right? But I figured it's from Google, it's probably pretty solid, and a gift card, so why not? So we'll count this as strike 2, even though I already have like 3 strikes already. But those 3 strikes, you can just lump them into one with the whole case thing, even though this would technically be 4. But since it's like a different item or different like subject or whatever, anyway, it doesn't matter. So what happened was, after 3 days, I never saw my Google Wi-Fi, and I couldn't, like, their system on their website is so stupid because I couldn't find it in my invoice and my order list. And then I was like, maybe it's just weird, and I'll give it a few more days. I waited like another week, and I still couldn't find it. So I went up and called Newegg, and they were like, oh yeah, we never received your payment, so we canceled your order and refunded the rest of your payment to your card. And I was like, what? That doesn't even make sense. And they're like, yeah, I don't know, the system just kind of did it. But I was like, well, how did you not accept my payment and refund the amount if you didn't get my payment? Like, that doesn't make sense. You can't refund the payment if you're saying that you didn't get the payment, because you get the payment and then you refunded it. That's what happened. And I was like, well, I got this on a gift card. Is my money going to go back on the gift card? And they said, yeah, but it was on a Groupon gift card. So Groupon gift cards are really weird. And I had to then call Groupon after that to make sure that the money went back on my Groupon gift card. And eventually, like after finally getting hold of Groupon, that was okay. But now I didn't have Google Wi-Fi, which I was going to set up before Christmas, you know, for my house. Even though I got my money back, I didn't have the product. So I was like, all right, whatever. Newegg done me wrong once again. And I still had that gift card. So an entire year passed. So after, all right, so quick timeline. So computer build, that was like maybe 2 years prior to the Google Wi-Fi. So it was computer, 2 years passed, then the Google Wi-Fi happened with $100 gift card. So another year had passed, and I still didn't buy the Google Wi-Fi because it pretty much stayed near like the $279 to $300 price, and it pretty much stayed the same, and I didn't see it drop. So I figured I already went a year pretty much without it. I may as well wait another year, and that's what I did. I waited another year, and I still had the gift card, and this time it dropped down like significantly. It dropped down to like $100, I think it was like $100 more. So it was like, maybe it was like $80, and then you got something, I don't remember, but it was pretty much a much better deal. Plus I had the gift card. I think I only paid like $100 plus tax. So I ordered it again from Newegg. Second Black Friday. And this time I was like, I'm not gonna let this happen again. This time I kept checking my order. And then on the third day, because I still had Premier shipping for like 2 years, it said no tracking number, and I was like, oh man, not again. There's no way this can happen again. And guess what happened again? The same exact thing happened again. Like the 100% same thing happened. And it was just ridiculous. I called Newegg, and I pretty much told them the same thing. I was like, hey, I bought this, where's my order? I don't see it in my account. And like the website's so stupid, but like canceled orders are in like a weird place. But they're like, oh yeah, we didn't receive your payment, so we canceled your order and refunded your payment. And I was like, you got to be kidding me. I was like, please go check in my account notes and go back a year from today's date and look back at what happened a year ago. I was like, this is the same exact thing that happened. I was like, I don't care what you do. I need you to, you know, send me a Google Wi-Fi for this sale price. Oh, also the sale price was after Black Friday. Sale price went up. I was like, you need to send me a Google Wi-Fi for the sale price during Black Friday. And they just wouldn't do it. And I was like super frustrated because the same thing happened 2 years in a row. How does that happen 2 years in a row? There's something wrong in their system that didn't either like the gift card, didn't like my credit card, which didn't make sense. It wasn't maxed, it wasn't full. That never like happens. Sometimes happens, but like I just didn't understand what was going on. So I told them, I was like, you do realize I'm a Premier membership and now I'm a paying member. And the person I spoke to, they're like, yeah, but we can't do it because... I was like, all right, well, I'm going to cancel my Premier membership and pretty much boycott you for, like, the rest of, you know, my life. And anytime a friend wants to buy something, I'm gonna tell them the story that how you guys messed it up. And I was like, oh, by the way, I'm a Premier member and I'm paying for this, so I'm gonna need a refund on my Premier membership. And after probably literally hours talking to the person, and then talking to that person's manager, and talking to that person's manager, they finally sent me a Google Wi-Fi for the price that I paid, and they canceled and refunded. Like, I checked my credit card statement, I saw that my payment went through, and they refunded it. And they didn't really have an explanation for 2 years in a row. They didn't have an explanation on why their system was jacked. Finally, after they did that, I went and I canceled my Premier membership, because F that noise. That was like, you could even say that was still part of strike 2, but I mean, that was strike 3, which is really strike, let's see, 5. That was really strike 5, I guess. So I gave them more chances than I did, than I wanted to, I guess, inadvertently, because I lumped up the first ones. But man, the trouble I went through, and that put off my PC build for like almost 2 months, because I was waiting for my case. I had all my components and I waited. Plus, if your components are bad, you only have 15 days to return them at most retailers for electronics. Like, if your CPU happens to die within 15 days, or your GPU dies. Like, so I've already avoided all the warranty periods. Like, when you build a computer, you do it, you run it, the test, make sure everything is alright and working. So, like, if anything else was done, I was pretty much screwed. And I didn't want to get another case to test it, so I pretty much swore off Newegg from that. And woo, look at that. That could have been fun. And I pretty much tell everyone that story, and I'm tired of telling that story, but I'll always tell it, because when a company does you wrong that many times and doesn't update their system to have all those types of issues, just have poor customer service for paying members. Granted, it was a gift for me, but still, like, someone paid for that membership. You know, my family members paid for that membership for me. It was just ridiculous. So I don't buy anything from Newegg. And then I unsubscribed from all their newsletters. Like, I don't care. I'd rather pay extra. And I think there was something. Like, I think Newegg had a sale. Like, I don't even bother. You know, like, I don't even like try to go there. It's like, whatever. I'll just get it somewhere else. I'll just go to Best Buy. I'll go to eBay. You know, it doesn't matter to me. It's not worth my time, because I spend more time and effort trying to fix their problems. And that's not what you do, especially as a consumer. So that's my Newegg story and my PC building rig experience. I don't shop at Newegg. I don't recommend Newegg. Even if they have something that's exclusive, I don't care. I wouldn't buy it from Newegg. That's all I really want to talk to you about. Hopefully I don't forget anything. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.